What's up, stackers? Now in this video we're going to be talking about MSIs, that's multiple streams of income within YouTube. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every single day I bring out all different types of videos showing you how you can start generating some cash from your laptop. So go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you want my #1 recommendation to making a full-time income right here online, then click that link in the description below and I'll send that straight to you. So, MSIs, multiple streams of income within YouTube. So when it comes to YouTube, building a following, building an audience, most people only stick to one way to make money from that, and that's Google AdSense. Now, that is the completely wrong way to go around it, because there's so many different ways that you can monetize your audience, your following, once you've started to grow that, and I'm about to show you that in a minute. Now, if you think that you can't start a YouTube channel because you don't want to be on camera, well, you can still build a YouTube channel regardless. As you can see here, I've done a video on how to make videos without showing your face. What I'll do, I'll link that right up there in the right hand corner if you want to go through and check that out. So, multiple streams of income within YouTube. Let's have a little look at something. So this is your YouTube channel and these are your PIMs. A PIM is a passive income machine, and that's what I like to call my videos. So that's your YouTube channel, these are your videos, your PIMs, and with your PIMs in the description you can promote all different types of things. Now the main one I reckon you should be focusing on is your email list. So in your video description you can recommend something so people can get on your email list, because once you start building that email list, building that group of people that know, like and trust you, and building a relationship with your audience, it becomes so much easier to sell stuff online. Now I talk a lot about building an email list on my channel because I truly believe that is the lifeline of your business. If you don't have an email list, then you don't really have a business. So this is just one way that you can build an income stream with your audience on YouTube. The second way is just promoting affiliate products right in the description, and this works just as well. So say you're doing a video for email marketing, for example, then you could have your affiliate link or your autoresponder in the description and recommend that as a product when talking about email marketing. Or you could have the affiliate link to the camera you use, the microphone you use, and that could just be an Amazon affiliate link. So there's unlimited products out there that you can recommend as an affiliate and just have it in your YouTube descriptions. That's 2 income streams that you can build out just with YouTube alone. Then the third one is Google AdSense. Now I don't recommend building a channel just mainly for getting AdSense, because the income from AdSense is nothing compared to all these other ways that you could make money with your channel. So that should be the last thing on your mind. But still, once you hit that 4,000 hours watch time and that 1,000 subscribers, you can apply to be a partner and then get that Google AdSense money as well, because that would just be another stream of income. Also, you can even build a course. There's so many different platforms out there that you can actually build a course on, sell your course in your description, and make money from that as well. So this is just 4 ways that you can actually make money from a YouTube channel. Now, if you want to learn how to do this, specifically the email marketing and affiliate marketing part with YouTube, then I do have a course like here coming out very soon, and it's called Tube Affiliate Mastery. This course is going to take you step by step on how to set everything up properly, so you can start making a killing with affiliate marketing. Because when it comes to YouTube, I truly believe that this is the #1 place to be right here online at the minute. Nothing compares to it. You should be building your audience, providing value, and making sales in the process. Because remember, people buy from people they know, like, and trust. So you need to be building that audience. You need to be providing value, because you get paid for bringing value to the marketplace. If you're not making much money, then you're not providing enough value. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.